Good morning, it's Clay Trader at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they unfold live. Market opens up here any second now. Going to watch C out of the opening gates. So I will keep you updated and we'll see what happens. Have an order in, several orders actually. Looking down here at all my fishing orders. All right, got some STZ, first entry point there at 1.4. All right, so I'm out there for a quick $75. I would like to do that again though. So we'll put the next order in up at 174.45. I would like more than the 500 shares, but if it's going to give me a quick $75 within that, I don't know, 5 seconds or whatever that was, I'm not going to turn down $75 in 5 seconds. So have that order up there at 74.45 again, and gonna keep scanning the market. So let's see what else I can find. All right, I'm gonna play this for a test. Back up to right around that $15 mark. Does it go up there and hit it? 15, I don't know, but I think it's got a chance to make a move back up there, or it's just gonna leave me in its dust, and it's looking like it's gonna leave me in the dust. So got left in the dust on that one. Thought it would break 15, but like I was saying, I was hoping it'd pull back to the 14.65 mark before it did. Also had an order at 13.75, but yeah, you saw how that all unfolded, and just simply decided to leave start the party without me. So can't short this one, unfortunately. I'd be looking to build some sort of position here, but no shares to short. So let's keep looking. All right, have an order at 28.65. on SUN here. While we wait, I'm going to get this alerted in the chat room too. Okay, there we go. So it's now been alerted in the chat room. So let's see if it can get up through the 28.50 mark. If it can break through there, I'd like to see a very quick price movement. Okay, it's trying here. I'll let it run. We're not even at 3 minutes yet on the video, so, and back down it goes. So, well, all right, I will pause it just because I can't track them and might not get the fills. I do have a couple orders out here right now for SUN and AKRX. So if I fail to capture those entry points on video, at least at this point, you know that they are sitting out there. So it's just a matter of seeing whether or not I can get any nibbles on them. So I'll keep you updated. Okay, well, looking like 56 might break. I feel like either SUN or KMX has a good chance of getting filled here. So it feels like a matter of just kind of what comes first, but we'll keep our eyes on KMX right now. Looking for that break of 56. Have an order to short at, and there, well, all right, well, maybe not then. But we'll see if SUN can offer us an opportunity here. But it's working its way back up there. So, yeah, there we go, giving it another try. All right, that was weird. Gave just 2. Wow, I didn't even see what happened there. That happened in a blink of an eye. I'm gonna have to go back and watch that on the video. That was did the price even go up there? High of 56.15. So I nailed the top, but literally, I mean, and you can go back and rewind it too. But that happened. Rewind. Can you tell what generation I'm from? You can drag the time bar back too and check that out. But that was interesting. So I'm going to move this up to 56.35 now. Okay, so let's see if we can get up there, and I'll restart the process again. I mean, I would like more than 500, but first entry will be at the 56.35 mark. So we'll see if it can get up there or not. All right, have an order at 56.69 here. I figured I should get it rolling because we saw how fast it moved last time. This one is tricky though. Just watching it, I mean, it's not moving. All of a sudden, it's jumping all over the place. So now it's jumping again. So let's see if it can get up there to 56.69. It's trying to work its way up there. All right, I feel like it's going to explode right through that, so I'm going to go 56.85 instead. There we go, got that. We'll see if it wants to give me, look like I'm going to be able to build. Fantastic. Oops, let's try that again. 57.25 will be where the next allotment is. I'll just have to settle for the $50 here if it wants to pull back some. So let's see what it wants to do here. Ideally, if it can get up through 57 and I can get some more, that would be nice. Okay, there's the breakthrough 57. Well, I was hoping for a little more emphatic break than that. I'll try for some at 57.15 too. All right, I'm going to pause it so this doesn't drag out too long. If it looks like I'm going to be able to add more, or if I'm going to get out for, well, now it's pulling back. Let's see if it can. All right, and I'm out that fast. So we will start the process again at 57.25. So picked up a quick, well, quick. It's relative term. $50 there. But yeah, I'm just looking at the, keep in mind, as always, I guess I don't say this in every video, but I'm looking at much more than what you see on the screen. I have multiple monitors, so when I say, I'm looking at the chart, I don't necessarily mean the chart that you're looking at. So just keep that in mind. But looking at the other charts, yeah, 57.25. I'll leave that order out there for a little bit. So let's see what can happen. 10.05 up 147. So a pretty mild morning here, but a lot of time left. So no need to panic. And got to keep things into perspective. $147 in less than 45 minutes. Yeah, keep things in perspective. That's still a pretty good pay rate. So let's see what else is out there. All right, I got to wrap things up. Have some things I have to do today. It is 10:15 on the dot, and I'm, like I said, trying to stick to a schedule. Gonna cut things off. And I know last week, I think it was like $485 or something the video was talking about. And now, kind of a quote-unquote boring 147. So it truly goes to show that every morning is going to be different, and you can't sit there and say, oh, I only made, so it was sometimes that's just how the cookie crumbles. Perfect example that you saw here was, what was that, AKTX, something like that, when I wanted a little bit of a pullback, not much, just a little bit of a pullback back to 1465 before it went through 15, and it just decided to leave me in the dust. I mean, some mornings I'd get that 1465, and it'd be a much different morning, but this morning I didn't, and that's just how trading goes. So as always, if you enjoyed the video, definitely click the like button and make sure to subscribe to the channel. There's lots of other content here. If you want to trade alongside me and other traders, you can go to claytrader.com. I offer a private trading room, and I was talking about, making alerts in the chat room. So if you want to join that chat room, you can, like I said, claytrader.com. And also I offer training courses on, how to trade and use charts. So as always, thank you to all you viewers, and I will see you back next week. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click that image right there and I will email you the guide. The guide is very short, it's to the point, and like I said, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.